Hello Crafty Llamas, in this video I'll be showing you the Noodle Soup Sturdy Sock in the With Envy colourway. So here I have the With Envy skein or skein. This is a sturdy sock mixture which is 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, so it's perfect for your sock knitting, gloves, scarves, shorts, no matter what you want to make with it, this is the perfect yarn for you. So what I love about this yarn is whilst it looks quite standard in your, quite plain greens, it's got a few variations. Once it's actually been knitted up, the variations really are amazing in this yarn. It really comes to life. So it is available as both a skein or a cake from my shop. I charge an extra £1 for the wool winding service. Alternatively, you can just buy the skein if you have your own wool winding equipment at home. So from the cake, you can see that there are some variations here. I don't think this really does it justice, so I do have a swatch to show you as well. What I really love are these kind of slightly brighter greens that just streak through the kind of some of the paler greens and then the darks as well. So here I have a little swatch that I crocheted up earlier so you can see how it comes out. So here you can see you've got the kind of brighter greens coming through here with some of the darker greens really complementing it nicely like so. So this is a locally dyed yarn from Noodle Soup here in Norfolk. So if you are all about British yarns, then look no further. It is a total of 400 metres in length or 476 yards, so you've got more than enough to do a pair of socks. I've also knitted gloves, scarves, shawls, shorts out of this yarn, so it's not limited by any means. It's very versatile and can be used kind of held double for a really nice variegated effect, or knitted using a single strand. The joy of this yarn is that because it is one primary colour, or one colour primarily, it's really easy and the variations aren't going to clash too much, which is nice. So if you do want something a little bit simpler on the eye, then this might be the one for you. So that is it for my Noodle Soup With Envy overview. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know by commenting below and liking it. I do have weekly videos, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Our social media handle is Crafty Llama UK, so you can find us on various platforms using that. Please tag us if you buy this yarn from me or use anything using this yarn. And of course you can purchase this yarn from my Etsy shop, which I will link below. That's it for this week's video, but I'll be back with you next week for another one. Bye!